All right, people, Nick Roberts here, and welcome to my ORB review video. I'm inside the ORB members area here, and today I'm going to give you a look inside, share my thoughts, and you can see if you want to check this out for yourself. Now, what is ORB? ORB is a Chrome extension which goes onto Instagram, and you can go after big influencers in your niche. So let's say you're in the make money online niche. You can go after these influencers and you can start following their followers, all right? And once you follow their followers, ORB also sends out an auto message to these people, and it can be something on the lines of, you know, hey, I saw you're interested in make money online, I saw you're interested in affiliate marketing, you may want to check this out, okay? And you can leave links, you know, affiliate links, you can make affiliate commissions, or you can leave a link to your sales funnel, you can start building an email list. But basically what you're doing is you're siphoning this influencer's followers, you're siphoning them off, you're siphoning this traffic, and you're bringing them into your world, okay? So it's a wicked Chrome extension, and it's great because it does it on autopilot, because I have done this stuff manually in the past and it's so tedious, and you might do it for a day or two and then you just give up and stop because it's really boring, okay? So it's nice having an extension which actually does it for you. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to walk through module by module and just tell you a bit more about it, okay? So first thing, we've got a introduction, a welcome from Bobby D here and Jake and Sid. They put this training and software together. These guys are all killing it online, all doing really well, making some really good money. And next we get into the actual training here. So we've got an overview, we've got the ORB installation, and then we get into the following, the messaging, and the hyper targeting. Okay, so let me go into a bit more detail about these ones, all right? So if I just scroll through here, okay, this is what it looks like. So basically, we've gone after Jono Armstrong, you know, big affiliate, one of the top affiliates in the world probably at the moment. And what it's done is it's gone onto his profile and he's got 9,000 followers, and it's just started following these people on autopilot for us, okay? So we don't have to manually click these one by one, all right? And once it's done that, it will also, as I said, it will also message these people for you. So let me give you an idea of what that looks like. Let me see if I can, here we go. So this is ORB up in the corner here. And after the follow feature, you can go to the messaging feature and you can set up an automated message, and it's going to send the same message out to every single person, okay? And as I said, you can say, hey, you know, I'm an internet marketing coach. You know, is there anything you need help with? This is what Sid's put here. You can drop links, your sales funnel, free training, free video series, whatever you want, maybe a lead magnet, maybe an ebook, who knows, whatever you like. You don't necessarily have to sell people immediately. You might want to start up a bit more of a conversation first, but you can literally put whatever you want, and it's going to auto blast this message to these followers, okay? And then the next bit, which gets even more interesting, is this hyper targeting, okay? So let me explain how this works. So let's say you go onto an influencer's profile. So this is Philip Johansson here. He's posting a lot of business stuff and motivational stuff and all that sort of stuff. And let's say that you find a post here that's done very well. It's got a lot of comments on it. You can see a lot of people commented. What ORB will do now is it will go and comment for you, okay? So what it will do is it will find, here we go, let me show you. So it's Insta follow and comment extension. And what it will do is it will go and you can send an auto message to anyone who's left a comment. Now, why is this so cool? Basically, people who comment on this sort of stuff are showing a genuine interest. You know, they're quite active. They're not just passively scrolling and looking at stuff. They're like, hey, I want to know more. Tell me more. These guys are interested. This is sort of like hot traffic. You know, this could be hot leads. Definitely worth sending them a message and saying, hey, you know, I just saw you comment on this. If you like this, you're going to really like this, okay? And come check my stuff out, right? Again, bring them into your world. So again, does all of this on autopilot. You can see how much time this is going to save you. If you had to, you know, write out these messages one by one to all these 100 people, it's going to take all bloody afternoon, isn't it? So very cool. And then last bit on this bit is Jake is giving you 100% commission on a product that he launched in the past, which I actually reviewed on this channel. Really good product. And he's going to give you instant affiliate link approval on that, so you can go out and start promoting that, start making commissions immediately, okay? We've got some case studies, all right? Sid shows you how he went from basically 0 followers to 1,000 followers really quick. He also shows you how he used ORB to get $1,800 in about a month with affiliate commissions, all right? And he also shows you how to build a subscriber list. Okay, so that's a bit of a case study, just proving that the method works. Sid really just opens up his account and shows you the numbers. And then the next bit here, which is wicked, is bonus 10x training. So here Jake is going to walk us through basically how to make more money, how to really build a business by setting up a sales funnel. Okay, so he's going to show you how you can use Orb. You can leave a link to your sales funnel, so you can start sending people to an opt-in page. Okay, maybe give them a lead magnet or whatever you want to give them. Send them to an opt-in page, start capturing their email address with get response or whatever autoresponder you want to use. Okay, then set up a bridge page or thank you page where you sort of warm them up about an offer that you're promoting, maybe offer some bonuses, do a review of it, whatever you want to do, and how to set up an email follow-up sequence so you can keep just touching base with these people, and also you can promote other offers to them later down the line. Basically, you got their email address now, so you can market to them forever for free up until the day they unsubscribe, basically. So it's pretty, that's wicked, and it's cool because you got this traffic for free as well. You didn't pay anything for it. Okay, and the multiple link hack. Oh yeah, he's showing you how to use Linktree. If you want to promote multiple offers, you can send people to sort of a Linktree page and have multiple links on there. Okay, and there you go. You've got some bonus software in here. It's all about Thrive Theme. I don't know if you know Thrive Theme. Thrive Theme is a wicked page builder for WordPress, where you can build quiz funnels, opt-in pages, sales pages, all that sort of stuff. Okay. And it's got all your urgency and scarcity countdown timers. It's really good software, really good page builder. Got some bonuses over here, and you got the upgrades. So the front end product, from what I remember, you can follow 50 people a day, which is quite a lot. But you can also do unlimited, and you can get done a few bonus pages and all this sort of stuff. Okay, which is going to save you a lot of time and just accelerate your results really. So that's what they're there for. But there you go. That's pretty much Orb. All right, we've done the lot. All right, if you do want to check out Orb, it's wicked. I'm going to be using it for sure. I don't really have Instagram, but I do want to get into it, so I am going to get into Orb. I just want to show you. I'm going to leave a link to Orb below this video. And I just want to show you a little hack that if you come to the Orb sales page and if you go to exit, you're going to get a $3 off. Okay, so you can get Orb for $9.95 for that Chrome extension, which is going to follow 50 people a day, message them, autopilot, and all that good stuff. Okay, so be sure to check that out. Links below this video, and I'll leave it at that. All right, thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a really good day or really good evening wherever you are, and keep killing it online. All right, I'll catch you real soon. Take care.